Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those with limited outdoor space, the small garden lawn design, and let's explore what this means, its benefits, and how to create a beautiful and functional outdoor oasis. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Small garden lawn design is the art of transforming a limited outdoor space into a visually appealing and functional area. It involves careful planning, selection of appropriate plants and materials, and attention to detail. Whether you have a tiny backyard, a balcony, or a patio, there are countless ways to create a stunning garden that reflects your personal style. Investing time and effort into your small garden lawn design offers numerous benefits. Here are just a few of benefits of small garden lawn design. First, enhanced curb appeal. A well-designed garden can significantly increase the value and attractiveness of your home. Second, improved mental health. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Third, increased property value. A beautiful outdoor space can make your home more desirable to potential buyers. Fourth, connection with nature. Gardening provides an opportunity to connect with the natural world and cultivate a sense of peace and tranquility. When designing your small garden lawn, it's important to choose the right elements to maximize your space. Here are some essential items to consider for small garden lawn design. 1. Container plants. These versatile plants can be placed anywhere and come in a variety of sizes and shapes. 2. Vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted planters, trellises, or hanging baskets. 3. Water features. A small fountain, bird bath, or pond can add a touch of tranquility and attract wildlife. 4. Outdoor lighting. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with strategically placed lighting. 5. Patio furniture. Choose comfortable and stylish seating options that fit your space. 6. Decorative elements. Add personality to your garden with statues, sculptures, or wind chimes. Now that you have a solid foundation for your small garden lawn, let's explore the exciting world of decoration. The right decor can transform your space into a personal sanctuary. Let's dive into some creative ideas to bring your vision to life. Here are some tips for decorating your small garden lawn. First, create a focal point. A focal point can draw the eye and add interest to your space. This could be a large tree, a striking sculpture, or a colorful flower bed. Second, use color wisely. Choose plants with complementary colors to create a visually appealing garden. Third, consider texture. Incorporate plants with different textures, such as smooth leaves, feathery foliage, or spiky flowers. Fourth, pay attention to scale. Ensure that the elements in your garden are proportionate to the size of your space. Fifth, add layers. Create depth and interest by layering plants at different heights. Sixth, maintain your garden. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your garden looking its best. Now that you have a solid foundation for your small garden design, let's explore some inspiring ideas to bring your vision to life. Here are 10 of the most popular and visually appealing small garden lawn design concepts. 1. Zen garden. Create a peaceful and serene atmosphere with a minimalist design featuring rocks, sand, and a few carefully placed plants. Incorporate elements like a small stone bridge, a miniature pagoda, or a raked sand pattern to enhance the tranquil ambience. 2. Cottage garden. Embrace a romantic and whimsical style with a profusion of colorful flowers, winding paths, and rustic elements. Plant climbing roses on a trellis, add a stone bench for relaxation, and scatter natural materials like pebbles or pine cones throughout the garden. 3. Herb garden. Grow your own fresh herbs for cooking and enjoy the fragrant aromas they add to your outdoor space. Consider planting herbs that complement each other, such as basil, thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Add a small herb wheel or raised beds for easy access and maintenance. 4. Succulent garden. Create a low-maintenance and drought-tolerant garden with a variety of succulents in different shapes and sizes. Experiment with different textures and colors, and incorporate succulents into rock gardens, planters, or hanging baskets. 5. Vertical garden wall. Maximize your space by creating a vertical garden wall with plants that climb or trail. Use a variety of containers, such as wooden crates, repurposed pallets, or pocket planters. Consider planting vining plants like ivy, jasmine, or morning glory. 6. Water feature garden. Incorporate a small pond, fountain, or waterfall to add a soothing sound and visual element to your garden. Choose plants that thrive near water, such as water lilies, papyrus, or cattails. Add a small bridge or stepping stones to create a pathway around the water feature. 7. Mediterranean garden. Capture the essence of the Mediterranean with drought-tolerant plants, terracotta pots, and a relaxed atmosphere. Incorporate plants like lavender, rosemary, olive trees, and citrus plants. Add a stone patio or a clay pot planter to complete the Mediterranean look. 8. Tropical garden. Create a lush and exotic oasis with palm trees, tropical flowers, and vibrant colors. Choose plants that thrive in warm climates, such as hibiscus, bougainvillea, and bromeliads. Add a hammock or a tiki torch for a tropical vibe. 9. Japanese garden. Embrace the beauty of Japanese culture with a garden featuring koi ponds, stone lanterns, and carefully placed plants. Incorporate elements like a curved wooden bridge, a bamboo fence, and a zen garden with raked sand and rocks. 10. Urban garden. Transform a small urban space into a thriving garden with container plants, vertical gardening, and creative design. Use balcony planters, window boxes, or hanging baskets to maximize your space. Consider planting herbs, vegetables, or flowering plants that are suitable for urban environments. Creating a beautiful small garden lawn design is a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By following these tips and incorporating elements that reflect your personal style, you can transform your outdoor space into a peaceful and inviting oasis. Remember, the key to a successful small garden is to focus on quality over quantity and to enjoy the process of creating your own little piece of paradise. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs channel and hit the notification bell. We'll continue to share helpful tips and tutorials to help you create the home of your dreams. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.